Dear guys, if your Snapchat account is permanently locked, it usually means there's been a violation of Snapchat's terms. So I'll show you what you can do to try recovering it. So firstly guys, you need to understand why accounts get locked. Common reasons include using third-party apps or plugins, sending spam, or breaking community guidelines. If Snapchat has flagged your account for serious violations, recovery isn't guaranteed. So the step one is going to be going to the official Snapchat support page. And from there, you can choose I can't access my account. So you just type in Snapchat support. And in here, I can't access my account. And my account is locked. And as you can see, you can try logging back in, which isn't possible, of course. And as described, you can perform an appeal right here. And now, how can I submit an appeal from a locked account? So as you can see, you can do it from the Snapchat app from the login screen. So you just try logging in with your account, just like you usually would. And to access the appeal process, you just, so on the pop-up screen, tap Appeal Decision, as said in here, to start the appeal process. Also guys, check your email regularly. Snapchat will contact you with their decision. If they refuse, it means the lock is permanent and the account cannot be restored. Also, avoid websites or apps that promise to unlock Snapchat accounts. These are scams and can steal your personal information. So while permanently locked accounts can't always be recovered, contacting Snapchat support is the only real chance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.